Hi, hello friends. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share my story because how I can learn this language, how I become like this, everything. Because one of my subscriber asked me, please ma'am, tell me step by step how you can learn. That's why I'm telling step by step learning process in my journey. This is my journey, my own experience I am sharing here. When I was studying in everything, I told so many times in government school only, I completed my education. And I came out of there, I went to the college for private college. There everyone is speaking in English, everybody. In my college rules is in the campus inside everyone wants to speak in English. There I don't know in English, they don't know anything in English. I'm talking butler English. I come, sit, go. Sometimes I don't speak also because I'm very fear to speak. We don't know in English, that's why. And okay, it's very funny because I am not so many people like me, so many people is there, we are very happy and we are doing cheated to others, we are talking to our mother tongue and we cheat to others. We talk also, we are telling no, we don't talk to our mother tongue, we talk in English only, we cheated like this. We are doing so many things, but I don't know that time what is the importance of English. Really, I'm telling, I don't know. Now I realized how much important it is because the college time I have lots of opportunity to learn. I used to learn in that time, but I didn't do that. Now I suffered when I came out of college. I suffered a lot. Really, I'm telling, it's true. If you are the student means, remember this. When you are the college life, start learning because that is the best time to learning. Nobody won't point out you. You are making mistakes because you are the student. Students will make mistakes and they will learn. But when you come out to the college, everyone is point out because you are the educated, you don't know anything. That's why I'm telling, utilize your college time, don't waste your school time and college time. Do it, definitely you can speak in English. And I came out and I got married and I have two kids, twins kids. The girl babies, they are Vaibhavi, Vaishika, and they are going now school. I got at them and I raised them, and I'm doing this process only for only housewife. What work they are doing, this process only I'm doing. I don't have any work to do. I completed degree, I got married, I have kids, and I'm doing household works. That's it. And one day I felt why I did the degree, because I feel shame of myself. I have degree, but I didn't do any work. I have to do something else. Then I planned to go to job. I send my children to school and I want to go to job. And okay, my time is came. I send my children to school and I play some interviews also, and I got interview call and I went to interview inside. There so many people sitting like me. They are talking very good English and they are very tension. Everyone is doing something else, and so many, that is consultancy, but I don't know about anything about in that. I went inside and I sit there and I'm watching to the surrounding how the people is behaving. But I went single, nobody didn't come with me. Nobody didn't come. And okay, I'm observing. I don't know anybody to speak, and I will sit. My time is came, and she called me, and I went inside. I don't know anything to say because I can prepare something else to myself, how to speak myself, and I will blubber. That is, I will blubber there. And after she asked something else, I don't know anything to say. I will keep quiet. And okay, she understand. I don't know English, and she started her work. She told me we are the consultancy. We are making consultancy. You don't know in English. That's why you can pay 4,000 rupees for me, and I will offer you to the job. She said like that, and I felt okay. I don't have the job, I don't have the money, that's why I came to here. She's asking me money, what is this? And I felt, ma'am, I don't have any money. How much you have? She asked. And only 500 rupees I have, because I came to the bus and I go back to the bus, ma'am, that's it. And she told, okay, you can take it money tomorrow and day after tomorrow you come to my office and you can pay there, and we will give you to the job. She said like that. Everything is okay. I felt okay, this job is not coming to me, why I have to upright, I will come out of that place. And after I decided, if you don't know in English means it's very difficult to go to interview. I decided to that moment, and I started learning. And I have seen lots of videos, plenty of videos, grammar videos, translation videos, everything I started watching. Anything didn't help me. Anything didn't help me because I'm not talking, I'm watching only. I can understand, but I can't speak. Whenever someone is talking with me, I'm fumbling, I can't speak, but I can understand. Now you are telling, right, I can understand, ma'am, but I can't speak. This problem I faced. And okay, and because in my home nobody is not there, and I started speaking myself. Okay, we have to improve means everyone is saying start speaking. I can try to this also, I can speak myself. And I started speaking myself. Really, I'm telling you, when I started speaking myself, I see a lot of improvement. Really, you are not believing, I started speaking myself every day. Then I have seen lots of improvements, lots of confidence. And again, one day I went to the somewhere and I came back. There is one school is there near only, my home near only, and I went inside and I asked her any job is there, that is the pre kids school. She said the madam is not there, tomorrow you come and talk to her. She called me and I went, and she's talking everything in English, and I said everything in English. And she asked some rhymes, the small rhymes, the LKG UKG, twinkle twinkle it is like this rhymes. I told the small rhymes, it's a Johnny Johnny yes papa, everyone knows. Different another one you can tell me, I don't know. And I said, ma'am, if you give the chance means I can learn each and everything. I said like this. I don't have confidence about myself. If you give the chance means I can learn everything. And okay, she agreed and she gave me job. And I am doing job to there in 1 year in the kids school. And because I am talking there everything in English, that's why my English is improved. Because I'm talking, I am living in the environment. That's why my English is improved a lot. If you don't have environment means please start speaking yourself. definitely you can see the tremendous changes. This is my journey. And now I don't, my husband told to don't go to job, be in the home only and take care of your kids, because your kids is very small. Next year you will go to job. This year you be stay in home only. Then now I'm staying home, but I forgot the English. That's why I will making videos and uploading. This is my journey. This how you can feel, comment in the below. If you like my journey means please hit the like button. If you are the beginner in my channel means please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm telling one more time, don't give up. Whatever it is, don't give up. Bye bye, see you another video.